Hi friends and family, we're back again. The infinito finish. This is the coconut stew chicken hudut, my version. I don't know if that exists, but for me, I make it. So I want to share with it. You know, this is the way we look like it done. So we are dish up right now. The video I may show earlier, say how this thing I get to make, right? So everybody, like what I mentioned, this video that mostly for anyone way not eat fish and like hudut. So if you know eat fish and you like hudut, then you know this are for you. 'Cause a lot of people like hudut, but then they don't like fish, right? And then that just show off the taste. And then I tell you today that it's possible to make you cook hudut with any kind of meat. Say my husband the dish out for here amount right there. So and this ready. And yeah, and Darnie they have to he want get in my pot, but grandpa will have a dish for he want a dish he won't want at all. So this is that Darnie plate. See how Darnie can look? Aha, Darnie ready to go eat. Check him out. Hi, all right. So the next plate they come out. This is a grandpa plate now. Yeah, this is nice, people. The plantain growing at the yard. And the chicken, I don't raise chicken, so I still have to buy chicken. I must soon stop buy chicken due to bird flu or whatever flu the animal they got. But the hudut nice. Even if no meat and just alone gravy, your flavor good. And you add your plantain, we don't beat to that. And look here. You can't beat that. None at all. You know? They say you have to beat before you eat. Mommy used to tell me if you don't beat, then if you don't beat it, the matter you have to beat it to teeth. But if you want to eat your plantain, don't mash, you have to get in it and beat, right? This is a one garifuna food. No, so bahuduha, bahuduha. Oh, malibe dumuri lida nablo gugwele. Lubarge begi, mo bagendo lubarge begi. So I hope you enjoy Hudut, people, with stew chicken. This is it. So we done this and we left after we done dish up. So I wish Uno could have made it to make Uno smell it and taste it. Oh man, this is awesome. This is amazing. Walubido. Nice. All right, so I'll show you my plate. So this is my plate right there. So my plate of hudut. And then see the fish when we leave the not the fish, the pepper when we in there on the side. See you could cut that and put it in your pepper to make it flavor. But me I don't like the pepper like that. That's so at all that they will make patrol off me hudut. So I just put it in there to get the flavor in on my plate, and this is the finishing product. I hope you enjoy it, peoples. Please try on hudut with stewed chicken in a coconut milk. I sure you know I regret it. You know, I love it. This is the new version. I hope you like it. You know, enjoy it after.